Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing a look at this AVAPOW 8000 amp car jump starter. This thing is incredible. Take a look at that. It's also got this nice flashlight up top. You can go ahead and press this button, make it a strobe. Press it again, make it have a SOS. It's great for just working on your car. It's super bright. But for the actual jump starter, here it is. It's got this nice handle right here so you can carry it around. And you can see the actual battery percentages based on these lights. So if all three are lit up, you have 100% or 60 to 100% battery life. If you have just the orange and the red, it means you have between 20 and 60%. And if you have just the red, it means you have 20% battery or less, and it means you should charge this thing up. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold down this button right here, and that's gonna say that it's ready to go. So you can go ahead and plug these into your batteries, start up your car, and it'll be good to go. These cables just simply plug into this port right here, and this thing also functions as a power bank. So if you open this up, you've got a DC output, USB and USB-C output, as well as a USB-C input to actually charge up this device. It's got the USB-C to USB-C cable included. And for that DC output, it has this cigarette lighter attachment. So if you have any devices that use cigarette lighter, maybe like a dash cam, you can go ahead and plug that into here. When this is plugged into here, and it'll power up those devices as well. So this thing is just amazing. Very nice multifunctional device. I highly recommend that you keep one of these in your car. It's great for emergencies, great for everyday situations where you just need to charge up your phone or anything like that. Thanks for watching.